and we're with
Matea.
Matea. What's going on today?
I'm nervous and I'm going to jump today.
You're going to jump off an airplane. Oh my God, is it dangerous?
Yes. No, it's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous?
I'm really nervous.
This is exactly why it says danger on your back, right?
I don't want to hear that.
Oh, all right. So you go with Ryan.
Yeah.
And have you jumped before?
No.
This is your first time? All right, good luck. And as soon as we exit the plane, big smile. Okay?
On the ground. How you feeling?
Yes, I'm feeling nervous.
All right, you're freaking out just like me?
No, not freaking out.
All right.
But I got sweaty hands.
All right, that's no problem. So when we enter the plane, make sure you smile real big, right?
Yes, okay.
And hope for the best.
Yes.
And keep your fingers crossed. Insane. All right, let's get up. What do you think about skydiving?
It was very scary.
I freaked out myself. All right, let's do a big smile right here.